Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. Okay, Sunday pump, Monday dump. But the good setup I see on Bitcoin is this 4-hour setup, guys. You see, this was a kind of uh, a pattern, triangle pattern, or peanut, whatever you call it, and Bitcoin broke it, went up, came back, retested, and then created this engulfing candle. So setup is looking good, I'll be honest with you. And looks like Bitcoin is gonna move up from here. But be very careful, guys. There is still a possibility that we may see something like this. Boom. Okay, we may see something like this as well. So be very careful. Uh, until we break this level, guys, last all-time high, 109,335, I wouldn't be excited. I'll be only excited if I see a new all-time high, Bitcoin breaking this level, 109,335. Otherwise, there is still a chance that we may see a downward move. Because technically speaking, guys, a correction is coming anytime. We're gonna see a correction anytime soon. So be very careful. And if I take you on the daily chart, this is Bitcoin's daily chart, by the way, guys. Let me show you. You see, on daily, this red box is a big resistance for Bitcoin. It hit this resistance twice, and this is the third time it is inside this resistance area. So, yes, Naveen, we are still in a bull run. We may see a rejection here. So we may see this kind of rejection, and then again Bitcoin is going to try in a few days, and it may break it. But right here, I would be careful until Bitcoin is below 109,335. I'll be careful. Okay, because if you just join, guys, this is Bitcoin's daily chart, and you see this red box. That's a big resistance level on Bitcoin. Two times it tried to break it, wasn't able to break it, and now this is the third time Bitcoin is trying to break this red box. And again, I don't believe in Sunday pumps, because usually whenever you see a Sunday pump, Monday is a dump day. Market comes down on Monday. So I'll be careful with this pump. There is still a chance that it may go a little up, and then we might see a downward move. Something like this, okay? So let's see if we see a continuation or if we see a moved on. Another thing you need to keep an eye on, guys, KKJ, thank you. On Friday, Bitcoin closed at 103,517. Okay, 103,570. This is the level Bitcoin closed on Friday. And today, when market opened, it opened at 106. So there's a CME gap. So usually CME gap gets filled up. So I believe there's a high chance that at least market will come back to this level, 103, 400. It can come back to this level because it has created a CME gap. And CME gaps usually gets filled up. So I wouldn't be very happy with this pump unless I see a breakout of 109,335. If we look at the weekly candle, guys, look at the weekly candle. Weekly candle is looking good. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have consecutive 6 weekly bullish candles, 6 green candles. This is something amazing, guys. Sarah T, thank you so much. 6 weekly green candles, which is amazing. Okay. When did that happen last time? We saw 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive. Not here. Here. So when Bitcoin was at $27,000, from here we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weekly candles, green weekly candles. Okay. This was the last time when we saw 8 weekly green candles, and then this is the another time when we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weekly green candles. So volume wise, this is looking good. I am happy with this price action, but since this breakout came over during Sunday over the weekend, so that's why I'm a bit worried about this pump. So if we see a breakout of this level, guys, 109, 335, then we are good. Then market is gonna move up. If we don't see Bitcoin breaking this level, then expect a downward move. Okay, still expect a downward move, some kind of correction in the market. So let's hope and pray that it breaks this level, 109, 335. Then we're gonna shoot up. Yeah, there is a lot of liquidation here, guys. There are so many sellers who put their stop losses in this area. This area is full of stop losses. So there might be a chance that market makers are pushing Bitcoin up to hit those stop losses, and then they will bring market down. So that's why I'm telling you, be very careful. Anything is possible. Ethereum was supposed to spike. Ethereum already spiked so much. Look at this Ethereum spike. It was sitting at $1,400, and now it is sitting at $24.77, almost $2,500. So it already spiked. But now let's wait for Bitcoin, okay? Let's wait what Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin breaks this level, guys, 109,335, then you're gonna see a drop in dominance. This is Bitcoin's dominance. It is still going up. But if you see 109 breaking tonight or tomorrow, you're gonna see dominance coming down, and your altcoins will start moving up. So it's a waiting game now. It's a waiting game. But again, as per my experience, any pump during the weekend is not reliable. So we may still come down, okay? Because there is a CME gap somewhere here. So it is there's a high chance that it's gonna come down and at least fill that CME gap. There is one CME gap at 92 as well. Yes, you're right. But this one will get filled sooner. 92, if we see a deeper correction, it can go down to 92 as well. There is no doubt about that. Bonk is a very good coin. Bonk is doing great. Let's check Bonk. Someone is asking about Bonk. You see, this was my target on Bonk. I believe it still has a lot of room to move up. It's a very good coin, by the way. There's a lot of room to move up. Unless this is a head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders. If this is an inverse head and shoulder patterns, if BTC comes down, guys, then expect Bonk to go down something like this. Okay. If BTC is going to correct and come down, Bonk can come down too, because this looks like a head and shoulders kind of pattern. So Let's hope that BTC keeps moving up from here. Then you guys are good. So again, guys, disclaimer: whatever I'm sharing on my TikTok live on these charts is only for educational purposes. It's not. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before taking any financial decisions, before investing in any markets. Please do your own research. Okay. And let me bring it down here. Just 1 second. Yeah, yeah. So please. Note down this, guys. This is my only TikTok and Instagram ID, CryptoKing1MN, 1 million. This is my only ID on TikTok and Instagram. And then this is my YouTube channel, The Crypto King Show. If you're not following me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can search for my YouTube channel by putting this name, The Crypto King Show. And please do subscribe, because I always post my TikTok live recordings on my YouTube channel. If you miss my TikTok live, you can still watch it next day on my YouTube channel. And today is May 18th. Right now it's 8:26 p.m. EST, evening time. So please keep a note of my user ID, guys. There are so many scammers who are pretending with my profile picture. They pretend that that's me. I don't have any other accounts. I only have this account on TikTok and Instagram. And please note down my YouTube channel as well. Okay, The Crypto King Show. Please do subscribe me on YouTube. So let's see, guys. As I told you, there is a chance of market to come down. Hey Linda, how are you? You forgot about 50,000 taps. No, it's okay. If you guys don't wanna tap the screen, that's fine. Thank you, KKJ. Thank you. So again, guys, there is a chance of market to do something like this. Okay. There is still chance that market may come down. So this is the major point you need to focus. 109,335. BTC dominance is not coming down. BTC dominance is moving up. That's why your altcoins are not moving up much. They are still coming down. Everything, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP. Remember, guys, on XRP, I gave you this level. I told you that XRP will move up only if we see our daily candle closing above this red box. And we never saw a daily candle closing above this. And that's why XRP is coming down. It can come down further if Bitcoin is creating a correction here. So keep that in mind, guys. If Bitcoin is going to come down, your altcoins are also going to come down, and they are going to give you another opportunity to buy. That will be the last opportunity. Exactly, guys. I don't have to say that, but if you appreciate what I share, please keep tapping the screen, and let's keep bring our likes above 50K. We can do that. Definitely do that. Tulam, thank you so much. Thank you. Lee, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So again, guys, this is the daily chart. As you can see, Bitcoin came in this range, this red box range, back in December. Kraken, thank you. Then in January, and now again, Bitcoin is trying to come inside this box. So it is a big resistance level here. And we may not see a breakout with this try. We may see another price coming down again a little bit, and then Bitcoin will try again, and that time we may see a breakout. So this is a very strong resistance where Bitcoin is sitting right now. Okay. This will be the level to watch, 109,335 If it breaks this level, then it's gonna shoot up. Otherwise, there is a high chance of a correction here. Okay, this week I'll break out. Watch, it will break out. Okay, let's see. Let's see. XRP and predictions. XRP is coming down. XRP did not break KKJ. Thank you. Thank you so much. Queenie, thank you so much. XRP needs to break this red box. You see this level? 2.59. If it doesn't break this level, then expect XRP to come down further. Thank you, Sarati. Thank you. So as I was telling you guys, there is this CME gap. You see, let me put the level here so you guys can watch it. This is the level. This is the CME gap, 103,490. So we may see this Bitcoin coming back to this level. So let me change the color so we can differentiate. So this is the CME gap. High speed, I'm doing good. How about you? How are you doing? Good to see you. How about Solana? Solana is also, if Bitcoin is creating a correction here, guys, Solana will also come down. Goldie, thank you so much. Thank you. Solana can also come down with the Bitcoin. Yeah. Right now, you just need to keep this level in mind, guys. 109,335. If Bitcoin doesn't break this level, then expect a downward move. Support at 103,700. I don't know. 103,490 is the level. CME gap. So I believe there is a high chance it's gonna come back to 103,490 at least. You not look positive today? What do you mean, Ali? Why do you think I don't look positive today? Yes, if we break 109,335, guys, then expect a sharp move up, and your altcoins will also follow Bitcoin. Thank you, Shana. Thank you. But right now, I believe this pump is a fake out. They are trying to hit some stop losses here, and we may see it coming down. Ali, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. So again, guys, I know I posted a video yesterday when Bitcoin was somewhere here that I see a correction, and I see so many negative comments, and under my video people are saying market moved up, you were wrong, this and that. But always remember, guys, these analysis are based on long-term overview. Okay, they are not for 1 day or 2 days. Just let's hope that I would be very happy if a market goes against my analysis and breaks this level. I'll be more than happy, because even though I'm expecting this correction, I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'm still holding my Bitcoin because I have some really high profit targets on Bitcoin. So I'll be more happy to see market moving up. Yeah, V8. I told you guys about Solana that when it was sitting at $100, I told you it will go to 180. Look how beautifully it hit my level, and now it is going in sideways. So anyways, Bitcoin can still create a correction here, guys. V8, thank you. There's only one condition, that if it breaks 109,335 last all-time high, then it's gonna shoot up. Okay, and my Discord members know what are next targets on Bitcoin. But there is a high chance that Bitcoin may do something like this and then start dropping one more time. Okay, because there is, technically speaking, there is a correction due in Bitcoin. Look at weekly chart. It moved up from my turning point. So there was my turning point. This was my turning point at $75,000. It moved up so much. Now it needs some kind of healthy correction here before it's continue this move up. Market will never move in a straight trend like this. Alts are not moving, sir. How can alts move up when Bitcoin is coming down? Alts will move, don't worry. Do you think Solana will hit all-time? I have V8. I have very high targets on Solana. If you are a member of my Discord group, I have given those targets to my members. So we have targets available on each and every crypto in our Discord group. And yes, Solana can move way above last all-time high. No, Ali, if you ask me, honestly speaking, I don't want Bitcoin to move up on Sunday night, because Sunday pumps are very dangerous. Then you see next week, from Monday, you see a downward pressure in the market. So I want market to stay in this range, and then from tomorrow, I want market to move up. I would not like a breakout over Sunday evening. That's never a good sign. I would love a breakout. If it wants to break this level, I want that breakout tomorrow, not tonight. Looks like everything will go down. Let's see. When you say go down, that means go down to what level? You can say everything can make a correction here, because everything moved up so much. Ethereum moved up from $1,400 to $2,700, almost 100x, 1x, 100% move. So now a small correction is due. So I'll be happy to see a small correction, because with that correction, I can buy more coins at low price. So if Ethereum goes below $2,000, I will be very happy. I will buy more Ethereum below 2,000. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, ML. Will ADA exceed the all-time high? No, I don't think so. I don't think ADA will go above $3. I don't think so. I have 2 targets on ADA. Those targets are very high from current price, but I don't see it going above $3. Will Moody's downgrade affect BTC? No, no, guys. Always remember one thing, guys. Long-term trends will never get affected. I mean, we have seen tariffs, right? It was a big news. Tariffs. Market is going in recession. Oh my God, stock markets are selling out. Bitcoin is going down to $70,000, this and that, all that noise, all that fear in the market. People were saying Bitcoin will go below $50,000, $60,000. Where Bitcoin is sitting now? With tariffs and everything, Bitcoin is sitting at $106,000 almost. So don't worry about these news events, downgrading and this and that. Do you guys remember that AI FUD DeepSeek? Remember DeepSeek? Do you remember that? Do you guys remember that January of this year, we heard a news that Department of Justice allowed US to sell their Bitcoin? Remember that? You guys were so worried. I told you the government won't be able to sell their Bitcoins for at least 3 to 6 months. It is a long process. And then we saw that, we heard that, news that Bybit got hacked, $1.5 billion worth of Ethereum got hacked. Where is that news now? Do you guys remember that news? And look where Bitcoin is sitting right now, 106. So please do not worry about these news events, okay? Always focus on the long-term technical trend and try to understand the 4-year cycle of crypto. You don't need any other information, trust me. We have already entered in the last leg of this bull run. This is the last leg of this bull run. So at some point, this market is going to top, maybe this year, mid of this year, or maybe end of this year. That should be the exit. That's the time when you should exit from this market. Of course, no financial advice, guys. I'm just saying that's the time when I'm going to exit, and don't get stuck like you got stuck in 2021. If you were investing in 2021, most people thought Dogecoin will keep moving up. Dogecoin went up to, I think, 70 cents, and people thought it will go to $4, $5, and they never sold their Dogecoin. And then they got stuck in those coins for next 2.5 years. So please don't do that mistake again. This year, at some point, try to exit. Okay. So if you want some guidance, if you want some education on exit levels, guys, then just join my Discord group. That's the place where I'm going to teach everyone all those exit levels on different cryptos. We are going towards our exit strategy now. Okay, but retail traders and new traders, they will be buying. They will keep buying when Bitcoin goes to 120, 130, maybe 140, wherever. I don't know how high it's gonna go, but once it's gonna go towards those levels, a lot of retail traders are gonna come in and buy Bitcoin, and then they're gonna get stuck at those high prices. So plan, guys. You need to have a proper plan for investing in crypto, especially when you know you are in the last leg of this bull run. This is the time to execute your exit strategy. So be careful, guys. All I can tell you, be careful. Have an exit strategy. If you have your own exit strategy, well and good. If you need any help, then come in my Discord group. I will teach you how to exit and where to exit. How low can Mooding? I don't know what coin you're talking about, Mooding. Anyways, look at this, guys. I told you there is still a high chance of Bitcoin to come down. Okay. I know you guys are excited that Bitcoin is moving up, but it's moving up on Sunday. Okay, it's not moving up during a working day. That's the catch here. I thought you said there was going to be a downward trend. Yes, I'm still saying there will be a downward trend. We will still see market to come down, something like this, if it doesn't break this level, 109,335. Okay. There's a high chance for Bitcoin to come down. And it's normal. It's a healthy correction. Okay. Nothing to worry. You know, over the weekend, it's very easy for these exchanges and market makers to move this market towards stop losses. So most traders outside of the US, they trade with a stop loss. They use leverage like 10x, 20x, 30x leverage. So there might be, Honjan, thank you. There might be some stop losses in this area. and this was a good opportunity for market makers, these exchanges, to move market up to hit those stop losses, because the volume is low right now. Institutional buying is not happening because it's a weekend, so it's very easy for them. With a small amount, they can bring the market up, hit those stop losses, and then sell all their buy orders, which whatever they bought here, they will be selling here after hitting those stop losses. And then because they are selling now, the market will come back again to the same level where it was on Friday. So on Friday, market closed at 103,490. So there's a big chance that they will bring market back to that level. When US market opens tomorrow, it might be sitting at this level again. Okay. Sonia, Paul, Shiba is also moving down or sideways along with the other market. I don't expect a big move here, guys. I expect some kind of sideways move or a downward move, but that will be a good buying opportunity if you ask me. For me, it will be a good buying opportunity to add more crypto if market comes down, and there are high chances of market to come down. Unless it breaks this level 109, this market is gonna come down, guys. Okay. Let's look at dollar index. By the way, dollar index is coming down because Moody's rating, so dollar is weakening here. That's a good sign. Dollar should come down. And now since BTC is coming down, gold will go up a little bit. And then once BTC goes down and go to some specific level, then you're gonna see BTC moving up and gold coming down. SUI is not moving much, just like other coins. Let's check SUI, guys. Yeah, SUI is just you see there this move, a sideways move here. Just like other cryptos, SUI is also moving in sideways. But SUI is a very good coin, by the way. I don't hold any SUI coins, but I believe in the technology. I believe in the utility SUI has, and the team behind SUI is a very good team. Okay. Yeah, looks like Bitcoin is pausing here. That was a fake out kind of move, and we may see a downward move from here, guys. Okay. Let's look at 1 hour. I don't go to 1 hour chart, but if you see on 1 hour, let me show you guys. If you go on 1 hour chart, I can show you the, if someone is interested in taking a very risky trade, so this could be a good trade, guys. So you see this market is making a higher high, okay, but MACD is making a lower high. So this is a bearish divergence. So this setup can be, if you see a 1 hour candle closing below this level, this could be a good sell trade. If you see a red candle here somewhere, this could be a good sell trade. Stop loss can be here, and then take profit will be 1 to 2, somewhere here. Okay, on 1 hour chart is showing some weakness with this bearish divergence and this engulfing, bearish engulfing candle. You see this big red candle, this is a bearish sign on 1 hour. Okay, on 1 hour it's not looking good. Good time to buy a sandbox. I would wait. I would wait for a correction in Bitcoin before buying. I'm not buying anything here, guys. I would be happy to buy if I see some kind of correction in Bitcoin. Basha, I'm good. How are you? Tomorrow we will open lower during Wall Street hours. Yeah, looks like we're gonna come back to this level at least 103,490. Altcoins, I wouldn't be buying altcoins at this price. If Bitcoin is gonna make a correction here, guys, then altcoins are also gonna come down. How far correction, guys? I still wanna see a confirmation of a downward move, and then I'm gonna give those targets to my Discord members. They will know where do I see Bitcoin coming down towards. I'm gonna put a level where I believe we're gonna find a turning point, and then we're gonna start buying there. I will be buying altcoins and Bitcoin at some point down there, but I can't figure out those levels until I see a confirmed reversal. What do you use on TradingView to watch the price the most? 4 hour chart. Derek, it's normal to see a correction. Look at this big move. Bitcoin moved up from 74,000 to 107. It's a big move. Okay, market will never keep moving in a parabolic kind of price action. You will always see some kind of corrections in between, coming down, up. That is a healthy trend. Okay, going straight like this is not healthy. Then you see a straight downward fall. If market goes straight up, it comes straight down. So it is always good to see something like this coming down and then moving up, then coming down, then moving up. That's a healthy trend. Okay, so market coming down is normal. It's not a big issue. You shouldn't worry about this correction. So right now we just have to watch the market, okay? We have to watch the market. Watch this level, 109,335. I doubt that market is gonna break this level. I think if it goes up tomorrow, it may go up one more time and then a big drop. A drop will be coming. Hey FOMO, KKJ, thank you. Our altcoins will find a new bottom. The Rock Lady, I will let you know in our Discord group. But yeah, that will be the final bottom for altcoins. Sophie, altcoin season is very near. It can start soon. Let's see if we see this small reversal. This will be a positive sign, guys. I would love to see a reversal here, and then after that, you know, the slingshot, when you when you hold slingshot just like this and throw it, it goes the more you bring it back, the more it goes forward. So let it come down, and then you will see the next move will be a massive move. How high can Pepe go? Pepe can do easily 2 to 3x from here. I'm waiting for the market to come down patiently because I want to buy more altcoins. I have some cash on the side, and honestly speaking, I am desperately waiting for market to come down one more time. Give me another opportunity to buy these coins at a very low price. Polkadot is also not moving much right now, but at some point in the near future, you're gonna see Polkadot going crazy. It's gonna go up like crazy. Thank you, V8. Thank you so much. But I'm telling you guys, uh, I am almost quite sure that there will be a correction here. Price will come down. Okay, and you don't need to worry about that. If you don't have money to buy again from a lower price, just hold your cryptos. I would just hold them because we are sitting at $3 trillion market cap. We have a lot of room to move up. Fetch AI is a good coin. Nick, unfortunately, I cannot play music because I have to upload these TikTok lives on YouTube. So last time when I uploaded my TikTok live, there were some songs playing in the background, and they actually banned my video. They're saying that's the violation of copyright. You can't play those songs in the background. So that's the reason I'm not playing some songs. I might have maybe once we see Bitcoin breaking this level 109,335, then I don't care about YouTube. I will play some really nice songs when it breaks this last all-time high. And I might not upload that video on YouTube, but we'll have some fun here. But I want this video to go on YouTube. That's why I'm not playing any songs. ETH went down a bit. Why? Why? You tell me. Why is Ethereum coming down? You tell me. Because Bitcoin is coming down. And BTC dominance is moving up. That's the reason. BTC dominance is going up. I think by now, all of my regular TikTok live audience should know all these technicalities. What is BTC dominance? When BTC dominance goes up, altcoins move down. When BTC dominance comes down, altcoins move up. So you should know these things. What's my target for DOT? I have multiple targets, very high targets on DOT. Those are only for my Discord members, not for TikTok. Thank you, Sarah. Guys, give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. I'll be back. Yes, guys. Sorry. So yeah, we saw this pump, and now we are seeing this dump. How do you know how much a coin will do? These are all Queen technical analysis. Based on technical analysis and blockchain analysis, you can predict some levels. Fair value. Oh, wow. KKJ, wow. I like it. KKJ is saying this is filling the fair value gap. He is actually right. If it wants to continue moving up, it should reverse from here, because the middle of this candle is the fair value gap. Here, this is the fair value gap of this big green candle. And market usually comes back, fill up that fair value gap, and then continue the move. So if it wants to move up, it should move up from here. If it comes down, then it's a fake out. I like it, KKJ. You got 3 stars today on your cheek. Guys, all these altcoins, hey Sarah, all these altcoins, meme coins, will be moving up, but along with the other market. Right now, I'm expecting a correction. That means if BTC, I'm expecting BTC to come down, okay, from here. If BTC is coming down, that means your altcoins are also going to come down. So expect a downward move for a couple of weeks, okay, and then continuation of this bull run. So market is going to give you another opportunity to buy at low price, guys, okay. So as per my cousin KKJ, he predicted that Bitcoin is filling up this fair value gap, and that's a very good observation, because whenever you see a big green candle or red candle, the next candle usually comes back to its middle price. That's called the fair value gap, and then it continues with the trend. So if it wants to move up, it should move up from here now. Otherwise, it will be a fake out. This will be a fake out candle. So let's see if our cousin KKJ is correct here or not. But he is absolutely right about this fair value gap. Do you think this is a fake out? I mean, yes, based on Sunday, the day, we saw this pump. Usually, as they say, Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. So whenever you see a pump on Sunday, Monday is a bearish day. So based on that, I can tell you that it looks like a fake out move. How long till next candle? This candle will be closed in 2 hours 58 minutes. But if I take you on 1 hour chart, guys, as I showed you, look at this. Market is creating a higher high, but MACD is creating a lower high. So this is a bearish divergence. And look at this candle, a big bearish 1 hour candle. So I believe market is going to come down based on this bearish divergence. Unless our cousin KKJ is right, and this is just a market is trying to fill up the fair value gap, and it may move up then. So let's see. Let's keep watching the market and see what's going on. So one way for my personal benefit, guys, I'll be honest with you, I want market to come down because I want to buy more altcoins and meme coins at very low price. But for you guys, I know you guys are new traders and you guys have invested money and you want to see some good gains. For you guys, I wish that market moves up, creates a new all-time high. Then it's going to move up sharply. Then your altcoins are also going to move up. Okay, so let's see. I will be happy both ways. If it moves up, I'll be happy because you guys will be happy. If it comes down, I will be selfishly happy because I want to buy more coins at a very low price before we see that big pump. So let's keep an eye on BTC dominance as well. It's showing a little bit weakness here. So let's see. You're looking for DCA funds, Shana? How do we learn to do the same thing you're doing on charts? That takes time, guys. Just try to learn technical analysis. There are so many videos on YouTube, or find a mentor who can teach you all this. Okay, there are only two ways. Either you spend some time, buy some technical analysis books, or watch some videos on YouTube how to do technical analysis on charts, and spend some time, practice. It takes some time to learn these skills. I'm out of DCA funds. The Rock Lady, you don't have to worry, okay? Because next move, Next move will be a big move, okay? Because BTC dominance, look at BTC dominance. It is sitting at the top. So you don't have to worry if you don't have funds to reinvest. When this starts coming down, your account is gonna go parabolic. Your balance is gonna multiply big time when it starts coming down. So you don't have to buy every dip. So don't worry if you don't have funds. Just the only thing, the wise thing you should do right now is just hold your cryptos. Do not do anything silly. Just keep holding your cryptos. Wait for that big pump to come. Okay. Okay. Someone was asking about my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. The Crypto King Show. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because I always upload these TikTok lives on my YouTube channel. So if you miss my TikTok live, you can still go on my YouTube channel and watch the recording. Okay. So please look for the Crypto King Show on YouTube and follow that. This is my YouTube channel. I think I have it here. Yeah. So I don't want to move my camera, but yeah, you can go on YouTube and watch this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So as I suspect, guys, on 1 hour chart, I showed you this bearish divergence on 1 hour chart. So if you see a breakout of this level, guys, 103.937, then it's gonna come back further, come down further. But this candle, you see this candle, 1 hour candle is looking super bearish. So expect a downward move. Mulisha, no, I wouldn't buy anything right now. I would not buy anything right now. No financial advice. You can take your decisions as per your analysis, but I would never buy right now. I would wait for a correction in the market and then buy from the bottom of that correction. Market will always give you another opportunity. If you missed buying any coin, guys, do not just FOMO into that coin and buy at a very high level. Just wait for the price to come down. Market will never move in one direction. It will always come back, come down to give you another opportunity to buy low. So right now that opportunity, I believe, is coming. If you did not buy Bitcoin when we were buying at 79 to 75,000 range, this was the time when we were buying Bitcoin. Okay, in our Discord group, we were buying Bitcoin here. If you did not buy Bitcoin here, you should not buy here at top. Just wait for some kind of correction and then buy. If you need some guidance, come in my Discord group. I will guide you. Okay, but do not buy at the top. So this is the situation, guys. This is the situation. Market is coming down now. Okay, Mr. Jonathan Bichart. Mr. Jonathan Bichart. Okay, listen to this, guys. This is very important. So all of you should listen to Jonathan. Okay, what he's saying, I hope no one listens to you. You are the biggest. Someone deleted that. So he was telling you guys, don't listen to me. Okay, so you guys should not listen to me because Mr. Jonathan is saying that. So, Mr. Jonathan, I'm sorry. My moderators are very strict. They blocked you, I think so, or they just kicked you out. kicked your ASS, so sorry about that. I was promoting you, but you know, my moderators, they are very strict. Exactly, why is he here then? No, man, he's actually one way he's right. You should never 100%, believe in someone. You should always look for, your do your own analysis as well. Do your own analysis and then take your financial decisions. Never ever believe in someone 100%. It's your hard-earned money, and always take second opinion, third opinion. Do your own analysis. If everything makes sense, then go and take your decision, whatever you want to do. So, anyways, how Trump keep pumping my bag? Okay. I know, ML. It's okay. You know, negativity, I'm telling you, nowadays, I see this trend that people on every social media, they post whatever negativity they have inside them. They express that negativity on that social media, but they are not harming anyone else. They're harming their own soul by posting negative comments, laughing at someone, or trying to, be rude with someone. You are not doing anything to those people. You're just, hurting your own soul by doing that. Being negative is a disease. It's very easy to stay positive in every situation and encourage everyone around you. That shows that you have such a good soul. But when you become negative, it's a disease. I wish and pray that you get well soon. So Bitcoin is at 104,934, guys. Queenie, thank you. Usman, I still need to have confirmation. Just 1 second, guys. I still need to have a confirmation for 100% confirmation that we're going to see a correction here. And then I will have some targets where I believe we're gonna see Bitcoin to bottom out and then start next move up. So those targets are unfortunately only for my Discord members, because it won't be fair if I start sharing those levels on TikTok. So, but I can only tell you that I believe there is a high chance that Bitcoin is going to come down, creates a correction here. Okay. Technically speaking, there's a very high chance, probability that Bitcoin is going to come down. Altcoins will also come down. If Bitcoin comes down, altcoins will also come down. That's what I'm waiting for. I want these altcoins to come down so I can buy more altcoins at a very cheap price. That is what I'm waiting for. Would you sell your Bitcoin to buy lower? No. I'm not selling my Bitcoin until it hit my specific levels. I will just buy more. I have some funds on the side, so if it comes down, I will buy more. But this time, I may not buy Bitcoin because the Bitcoin is already so high. I'm more interested in buying altcoins because altcoins did not start their upward move. So I am more interested in buying altcoins at a cheaper price. For example, I would love to buy Ethereum below $2,000. I would love to buy Doge below maybe 18 cents. So likewise, I have different targets on different coins. I'll keep buying them. Tamura, thoughts on Aerodrome? I don't know much about that coin, but since I'm expecting the market to come down, that coin is also going to come down. And with the altcoins rally, all your coins, whatever you have in your portfolio, will move up. You think this correction will be that dramatic? You're talking about the last correction? No. This won't be that dramatic, but it's gonna, if it comes, it's gonna continue for a couple of weeks. You're gonna see a couple of weeks downward pressure in the market. When will be the bull run over? ET, I'm expecting by end of this year or maybe first half of next year. That will be the end of bull run, but there's no fixed time. It depends on the levels. At some level, me and my Discord members, we are gonna exit this market 100%. We're gonna exit from all cryptos because I believe we're gonna see a bear market for next 6 months once we hit that top of this bull run. And then we're gonna go in a bear market for 6 to 8 months. So I wanna sell all my bags before it hit that top. And we are not gonna wait for the top. We have different levels. We're gonna start exiting at different levels on each and every cryptos. And I have already explained those levels to my Discord members. So it's not that we're gonna wait for 200K for BTC to hit to exit the market. No, we're gonna have various levels in during that last bull run spike, and we'll keep exiting at different levels at different percentages. Okay, looks like Bitcoin is coming down, guys, as I predicted. As I told you, there is this bearish divergence on 1 hour chart and this bear candle, bearish engulfing candle. If it breaks this level, guys, on 1 hour, let me put this level here. If it breaks this line, it's gonna come down fast. Let me just keep it on this level only. Okay. If it breaks this level, 103,800, then it's gonna come down fast. How long do I think market will? That was Shana. That was a 1 hour chart. 1 hour. This is 1 hour. I don't go down to 1 hour, but since sometimes I just go to get an idea. So how long it's gonna go down? I think a couple of weeks. It's gonna, if it comes down, it's gonna stay down for a couple of weeks. But if you wanna know those levels where I see a reversal, upward reversal coming, then come in my Discord member. Become a Discord member. I will guide you in my Discord group about that. Okay. So KKJ, it filled your fair value gap. It looks like it's a fake out move, and now it is reversing. I think it's not gonna continue. But hey, we still have 2 hours 41 minutes for this candle to close, so anything can happen. So let's wait for next 2 hours 40 minutes to see where this candle is gonna close. If it goes back, then it's a bullish sign. Then it filled this fair value gap and moved back. That means it's gonna continue this move. If it closes below this level, 105,196, then expect a downward move. There are more chances for it to come down, as I showed you on 1 hour chart. This candle, look at this candle, a bearish candle and a divergence, bearish divergence here, down there. So this is telling me a downward move. You think Monday will be red? It is quite possible that we may see. As I told you guys, this is a myth. Sunday pumps, Monday dumps. So whenever you see a pump on Sunday, Monday is a red day. So again, guys, I know yesterday I posted a video when market was here, and people got excited when market moved up, and they started posting negative messages under next negative comments under my video. Oh, you are wrong, you are wrong, as if they want me to be wrong at some point, because most of the times, touch wood, I am right with my predictions. So they want me to be wrong at least once. So they were getting super excited with this pump. They were saying, "Oh, CK, you are wrong. You are wrong. You said market will come down. It is moving up. Don't delete this video. Don't delete this video." I have never deleted any of my videos. So, anyways, I'm not excited that market is coming down. I would be happy if it was moving up and breaking this level, and you guys will be making good money. But uh, technically speaking, this market is due for a correction. Okay, you can talk to any technical analyst; he will say that our correction is due here. What about stock market tomorrow? Expect some downward move in stock market, but not a big downward move. A small market may open down from this level. For example, S&P closed at 5,958, so expect S&P to open lower than that level tomorrow. Not a big downward move, but a little bit down. Again, guys, this candle is a 4-hour candle, and we still have 2 hours 37 minutes left. So anything can happen. Okay. Gold bullish. Gold is since Bitcoin is coming down, gold is moving up, but this is a resistance line for gold. Thank you. Again, as I told you on daily chart, this is gold's daily chart. Here I was expecting a downward move, okay, and it broke this channel. So this is the target profit on if anyone is in a sell trade on gold, this could be a good level to book profit, 3,062. Okay, it can come down to this level, but short term it may move up a little bit. But eventually, it's going to come down. Okay, what is Bitcoin doing? Angus, yeah, a little bit small dip in stocks, not a big one. You know, markets always move on emotions. So if people get scared, they usually get scared with these news events, and they act silly with these news events. But long-term trends will always move in the direction. They will never change. Short term, you will see some kind of opposite move. Brandy, thank you so much. But long term move trends will never change easily. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you, Angus. Let's see. What else I can show you guys? Yeah, so let me show you the monthly candle. Yeah, monthly candle is also looking good. Daily is looking good. So on daily, guys, again, if you joined late, this is Bitcoin's daily chart. You see, in December last year, Bitcoin came inside this red box, and found a resistance here and came back, came down again, went up in January, found resistance here. This was the last all-time high, 109,335, and then it came down, went down to $75,000. And now this is the third time Bitcoin, actually the fourth time. This was the third time and then came down, and now this is the fourth time it is trying to break this red box. So until and unless Bitcoin closes a daily candle above 109,335, it is gonna come down. You may see another downward move here, a downward move, a correction, and then a continuation. Okay. So this is a very strong resistance for Bitcoin, this red box, where it is right now. XRP, what price will be good to buy? I would wait for Bitcoin's correction. Once this correction is done, that will be the time to buy any altcoin, including XRP. Right now is not the time to buy any altcoin, meme coin, or Bitcoin. I would wait for some time. Abhishek, we may see Bitcoin coming down for a couple of weeks, okay? For next at least 10 to 15 days, a downward move and then a continuation of upward move. How low it's gonna go, that information will be coming soon in my Discord group. So once I see a confirmation of this downward move, I will provide some levels to my Discord members as where I see a reversal of this downward move. But right now I don't have a confirmation of a downward move, okay? Because Bitcoin is sitting above my confirmation level. How low can alts go? Depends on Bitcoin. Once I have a confirmation, then I will know how low Bitcoin can go, and accordingly I can just predict downward targets on altcoins. Yes, I'm expecting a downward move. There are two scenarios, guys. There is, I would say, 80 to 90% possibility that market will move down. We'll have a correction here. But there is a 10% possibility that it's gonna break this 109,335. This is the level to watch. If it breaks this level, then market will continue moving up. But there is a high probability that market is gonna move down, technically speaking. XRP new futures announcing, I have no idea about that. I don't see XRP moving above $3.80. That's my maximum level for this bull run. This is a 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Should we prepare to sell our alts? That's your financial decision. I cannot tell you what to do with your altcoins. You can decide whatever you want to do. So you mean BTC might go to 109? There's 10-15% chance that it may go to 109. But there is, I would say, 85% chance that it's gonna move down from here. Devesh, thank you so much. Ethereum is moving down. Thank you, KKJ. Ethereum is moving down right now. If Bitcoin is coming down, Ethereum can come down further. I'm waiting for Ethereum to come down because I want to buy more Ethereum. Desperately want to buy more Ethereum. At what price BTC will go down to? I have no idea right now. Once I have a confirmation of downward move, I don't have a confirmation yet. Once I have a confirmation, then I will give those targets only to my Discord members. V8 I bought at 1480. I did not buy at 1400. My last buy on Ethereum was 1480, but that was also a good level. As I told you, we were, so this was our indicator, guys. When market was coming down, everyone was scared. You can talk to my Discord members, they will confirm. This was the turning point I gave them. I told them when market was here, 79,000, we started buying Bitcoin at 79,000. And this is where I told them this would be a turning point and market will reverse from here. So this was the time when we were buying Bitcoin, altcoins, Ethereum, meme coins, everything we bought. So if I talk about Solana, you see this level, green box, this was the time when we were buying Solana. Let me increase the opacity. So this was the time when we bought Solana at around $100. Okay, so I told everyone that we'll be going towards $180, and it went up to exactly to $180. And look, after that, it's coming down. So this target I gave when Solana was sitting here, and other coins also. If you go on Ethereum, this was our buy range on Ethereum. You see this? This was our buy range. We were buying Ethereum in this range. So these were our buy levels. If I go on Dogecoin, on Shiba, so this was our buy range on Shiba. This green box was our buy range. Okay. So likewise, right now I'm expecting market to come down, but at some point I will give a turning point to my Discord members. I will be telling them where I see a reversal, and we'll start buying Bitcoin and altcoins at that level. Alyssa, Ethereum, right now you should wait if you want to buy Ethereum. I would wait for Ethereum to come down below $2,000. But right now I'm expecting a correction here, guys, for at least 10-15 days. You can expect a downward move. AMO, yes, crazy market today. This is a fake out kind of move. Usually whenever you see a pump on Sunday, Monday is a bearish day. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Is a bearish day. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Can ETH go to 1500? Quite possible. It can. Why not? You never know. If we see a deeper correction, that Ethereum can go to 1500. But as I told you, right now I don't have a confirmation of a downward move on a daily chart. So I usually go on daily and look for a confirmation on daily chart. So on daily chart, I don't have a confirmation yet. We are in a confusion kind of situation here. Either we're gonna break this 109.335 and gonna move up. That will be crazy if market does that, because that will be a crazy move. And then the next downward move will also be very crazy kind of downward move. I would love if Bitcoin makes a correction here, a smaller correction, and then continue with that big move. That will be healthy. Mohsen Razak, Dogecoin, you're asking about Dogecoin. So I would not buy Dogecoin just now. I would wait for Bitcoin to come down and Doge will also come down one more time. I would wait for at least a week or 2 weeks to buy any altcoins. If you're already holding some altcoins, then just keep holding them. Do not do anything silly. Just keep holding them and wait for the clear picture. We're gonna have a clear picture in next 1 to 2 days. Either we're gonna move up, there are less chances for that, or we're gonna move down. There are very high chances that we're gonna move down. This is pure speculation, guys. This market move, I don't like any kind of breakout kind of move over the weekend. That is never a valid breakout. Again, there's a very high chance, guys, that market will come down. Okay. Unless we see some crazy move here and Bitcoin breaks this level, 109,335. Alicita, XRP will come down with Bitcoin. So I wouldn't worry about XRP. As I told you guys, this is a big level, this red box. I told you XRP needs to close a daily candle above this box. It never closed that candle above this box. Price went up and came down. It went up, came down. So expect a downward move until BTC makes that correction, and then a final push up. I don't know if 107 was a good level to sell. I don't know. I can never give you a confirmation for selling or buying, okay, on TikTok. That's your financial decision, so do whatever suits you. Yeah, monthly chart really looks good, Osman. Bitcoin's monthly chart is super bullish. I'm telling you, this downward move will be for a couple of weeks, 1 to 2 weeks maybe. But next move will be super bullish. So by end of this month, we might be back to some high levels. Will the 250 million whale buy order will be liquidated? No, I think whoever bought with 250, 30 million, they should have sold here because they would have made a lot of money. That was a big leverage trade, by the way. So they might have made millions of dollars on that trade, and they might have already exited that trade. Yeah, guys, there's a high chance of a correction. Of course, nothing is 100% confirmed. This is the market based on your emotions. But technically speaking, there's a very high chance of a correction here. Whale watching. Whales are watching. Whales are always watching you guys. Big guys are always watching you, especially those leverage traders. They watch they can see your stop loss levels. And it's very easy trade for them. It's very easy for them to make money. If they see a lot of stop losses on Bitcoin sell trades when Bitcoin was here, they all decide to move the market up, hit those stop losses. So what they do, they start buying Bitcoin with big amounts. And here you will be selling because your stop loss is here, and they will take those, they will have you make those losses, and then they will also start selling here. So once they start selling here, because they bought here, they're selling here after hitting your stop loss, then market comes down again. So this is a very easy money making strategy for market makers. Okay. Especially over the weekend. That's why they say never believe in weekend pump or dump. They can manipulate this market easily because the market size is very small. We have only $3.2 trillion market cap. In forex market, there are, what's the volume of transactions in forex market? $7 trillion a day. In one day, they trade $7 trillion in forex, whereas crypto has total market cap of $3.2 trillion. Just imagine how small this market is. It's very easy for them to manipulate this market. Once it goes above 15 trillion or 20 trillion, then it will be very difficult for them to move this market like that. Then it will be a stable market. Then you won't see big drops and big pumps in the market. So I'm telling you, we are so early in this market, in this technology. This is the time to think about your future, about your kids' future. Just imagine $7 trillion transactions in one day in forex market, and total market cap of crypto is 3 trillion. So their half day market volume is total market cap of crypto. We are so early in this market. Trust me, after 5-10 years, when you tell your kids that or grandkids that you used to buy Bitcoin at $100,000, they will be like surprised. They will open their eyes like that. What? You guys used to buy Bitcoin at $100,000? Wow. By that time, in next 10 years, it might be sitting at $2-3 million per Bitcoin. I'm telling you now. You will see that time. Bitcoin has infinite, probability to move up. Infinite, because there is limited Bitcoin quantity available. Only 24 million Bitcoins are available. 24 million Bitcoins. And look at the total population of this world. Even there are around 54 million millionaires in this world. 54 million millionaires. Each millionaire cannot buy one coin because there are only 21 million coins available. So if millionaires cannot buy one coin, just imagine when normal public will start buying those coins. There will be a huge demand in the market for Bitcoin, and there will be no Bitcoin available. So I'm telling you guys, try to accumulate at least 0.5 Bitcoin, half Bitcoin. If you want to change the future, financial future of your family, your grandkids, just try to accumulate 0.5 or at least 0.2 Bitcoin. You will thank me in next 10 years. There will be a huge kind of price appreciation in Bitcoin. You can't even imagine, beyond your imaginations. That time, Bitcoin has, I think, 1 million Satoshis in one Bitcoin. I will check. There are 1 million Satoshis, the denomination. So then people will be saying, oh, I have 10 Satoshis. I have 100 Satoshis. No one will say I have 0.1 Bitcoin. That will be a big thing after 10 years. So that kind of technology you are investing in right now, guys. Even your Ethereum will be sitting at some crazy levels. You won't imagine. Yeah, Bitcoin will always have a bear market. Always. Every 4 years. This is how they design Bitcoin. It has 4 years cycle, market cycle. So every 4 years you're gonna see uh, a bear market after every 4 years. This is the best opportunity Satoshi Nakamoto gave us, that for normal public, he gave us some unique kind of opportunity. You need to understand when to buy, when to exit, and you can make a hell a lot of money in cryptocurrencies. You just need some guidance to know when to buy, when to exit. If you figure that out, you can make this money again and again and again and again for next 200 years. At least 100 years, you can keep making money without fail. Okay, guys, I will close this live after 5 minutes. So tomorrow we'll see if Bitcoin comes down and continue this downward move. There's a high probability that we're gonna see a correction here, guys. Okay, I don't think we're gonna break this last all-time high. With this move, I believe we're gonna see a downward move for a couple of weeks, and then this trend will continue. It will keep moving up. Thank you, KKJ. So let's hope for the best, guys. Again, depending on your strategy of investing in crypto market, if you can hold for long term, that's the only way to make money in crypto. Short-term traders will always lose money. Okay, and do not use leverage. Try to use zero leverage. So tomorrow we'll see how market reacts. If there is a big change, if I see a big drop or big move up, I might come live during the daytime. Okay. Until then, guys, invest wisely and ignore news events. Okay, just focus on the long-term picture of this market. I'm telling you, $3.2 trillion total market cap is nothing. If you're serious about your family's future, if you're serious about changing your financial condition, if you achieve financial freedom, guys, God has given you this opportunity in the shape of crypto investing. Even if you can invest a very small amount now, in next 5 to 10 years, you will make hell a lot of money beyond your imaginations. So teach your kids how to invest in crypto. Teach your wives, your husbands, your family, educate them how to invest in cryptos. Okay? That's all I can tell you. This is a big opportunity. You will never get this opportunity in your lifetime again. Okay, guys, take care. I'll see you tomorrow. And if there is a major change, I will update you through my TikTok video. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Good night.